Yes, good afternoon. My name is Mumza David, and the project that I've worked on and got the results is an explainable artificial intelligence for a standard fake electronic review system. And that's my email, affiliated to Makerere University, Department of Computer Science, College of Computing and Informatics Technology. So why did I come with this project? We know that technological drivers come up with positive and negative effects. We have the improved consumption and productivity, deteriorated health and company fall on this negative side. So especially in the post-COVID-19, there were much need of online products. And remember that these are purchased through the fake reviews. These are the words that describe a product yet or not. This could be made by humans or software. So although AI, which is the ability of machines to imitate intelligent human behaviors, try to limit fake review tendencies, there's more force and resources backed up with the research of better curated and tested learning algorithm to detect and filter fake reviews, which is the way forward to make free, healthy, and pure competitive world. With that background, we have seen AI, machine learning. We have also seen algorithm, something dealing with algorithm, and fake reviews. So the problem that the project addressed, we are trying to solve and focus on the fake review, which are electronic, which are automatically generated or not, that go undetected when purchases are made, considering features using public data set, the Amazon data set category, rating. We are seeing rating, text, size, and categories used by customers. Those are the features. These fake reviews have portrayed bad company images, so healthy deterioration and causing loss of large sum of money for the government, humans, and companies as they purchase substandard products while online. So we know that for people to be convinced, people usually put their fake generated or manually put reviews or words that convince. So methods that are used coming up with a model using semantic analysis based on natural language. In the natural language, we have the English, Luganda, French, Swahili, and other well-known languages. So to finding meanings, learning, symbols, predict and protect online users doing e-commerce with efficiency and availability document, which is the way forward for the project. And this will involve both labeled and unlabeled text or data. So sklearn model, then that I used to do training with random selections and the graphical learning, which is the logistic regression, since online system has users where items, attributes, and quantities are tightly associated with and impact each other by relationship or relations. This promotes less error. So we are dealing with the categorizing, grouping data according to the way it is grouped and according to the way it comes. So groups in clusters. We are seeing the figure below. We are seeing unlabeled data, labeled data, then pre-processing. This is the methodology that I used. Pre-processing, which it usually involved filtering features, those ones that I've mentioned earlier, the text, the visual, the ratings. Then we have under this, we are having supervised learning for labeled data and unsupervised learning for unlabeled data. Then we have the semantic analysis, because it usually takes in both and it considers also those words that are emotional. That remember that emotional words are the one that usually convince people. So then we can evaluate the system and then deploy it. What are the numbers? The numbered results. Corrected predictions worth 20% of accuracy for test and validation iterations using the SK-learn model. So semantic analysis considered also emotion words too, thus the bias was reduced. Something like bias, meaning it could be leaving other information, or it could be predicting wrongly. So we have it limited overfitting, correct predictions, maybe some correct predictions that I've mentioned above, 20% of accuracy, and underfitting conditions. It would take in account all the information necessary, not leaving out the other information. That's the bias that I'm talking about. So this ended up protecting companies' image and humans from harm by pre-rating information to warning clients or customers, those usually buy online. So interference was low. When I applied some noise, a few outliers, for example, these are the points. So outliers are kind of outside here in this graph. So those are then these ones are in line with the regression. So accountability in terms of documentation has been made thoroughly and well on key decisions and data examination. So we are seeing that on the fourth iteration, the accuracy or training accuracy is 0.29, then training 1.11, then validation, training validation, we're having 0.24. So those are the results that I got, and they're accurate. So the limitations and the future directions of the research or project, this time round, supervised data was of more use and considered. English as the national language, other languages, French, Luganda, our local languages, the Chiga, Nyankole, Nyoro, haven't yet been considered. So limited biomarkers, the data set, the Amazon data set that I used. So future work, future research, big data, taking in big data from big data databases has to be investigated, and considering other also natural languages, and also work with new coming media and forums like TikTok to reduce the negative impacts. So those could be the ones that are the future, even being able to use the apps. So develop something that can work as an app on any electronic device. Then the conclusions, we know that fake reviews are hard to be completely ruled out. So therefore, using semantic analysis for emotional reviews limited the bias and improved the AI accountability in terms of accuracy, zero rate error, and substandards catered for both supervised and unsupervised data. Acknowledgement. Thanks goes to my supervisors, Dr. Rose and Mr. Marvin. That's a few colleagues and AI initiators and family at large during the project for their support. So the references are those. We have a journal of research on detection of fake community reviews, HTANG, HCOW, and Journal of Physics Conference Series 2020, hyposcience.ipo.org. So thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe on the YouTube channel. Thanks, and have a good time.